In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Jotform to manage your appointment requests. Jotform is a versatile tool that simplifies the process of creating, sharing, and managing online forms. Whether you're running a business, organizing events, or simply need a streamlined way to handle appointment requests, Jotform provides an intuitive interface that caters to all these needs. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to getting the most out of your appointment request form. First, you'll want to open the Jotform form builder to access your appointment request form. If you're doing this for the first time, make sure you are logged into your Jotform account. Once logged in, navigate to your form's dashboard and select the appointment request form you had previously set up or are currently working on. The form builder presents an easy-to-use environment where you can add, remove, or adjust form elements with just a few clicks. Next, we're going to explore how to share your form with potential respondents. From within the form builder, locate the Publish button. It's typically found on the upper side of your page, and clicking it will take you to a new section where Jotform consolidates all sharing options. Whether you're looking to email the form directly, embed it on your website, or share it on social media, this is your go-to hub. To quickly share your form, focus on the Link tab within the Publish options. Here you'll see the Copy Link button. Clicking on this button instantly copies your form's unique URL to your clipboard. With this link, you can send invitations via email or text, add the link to social media posts, or post it anywhere your participants are most likely to see it. This seamless sharing capability ensures your form reaches your target audience efficiently. Now, let's say you've shared your form and received feedback suggesting a few tweaks. You'll want to return to your appointment request form in the Jotform form builder to make your adjustments. Navigate back using your form's dashboard, and once open, make the necessary adjustments. The beauty of Jotform is in its flexibility, allowing you to adapt your form on the fly. Finally, as you make changes, there might be times when you want to revert to a previous version. Jotform makes this easy with its undo function. Just like in a word processor, this handy feature is accessible right at the top and allows you to undo recent changes in case you make a mistake.